In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload images in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a quick alternative if you prefer dragging and dropping. This is simple once you've seen it done. So let's walk through it clearly. Start by looking at the text bar where you normally type your message. It's at the bottom of your ChatGPT window. On the left side of that text bar, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to open the attachment options. A menu will appear, and one of the options will say something like, Add photos and files. Click that. Your computer's file picker will open, letting you browse to the image or file you want to include. Select the file, confirm your choice, and ChatGPT will begin attaching it. You'll typically see a small thumbnail or file name appear in the message area, which means the file is now queued and ready to use in your conversation. If you prefer an even faster route, you can upload by dragging and dropping. Open your File Explorer or Finder, click and hold the image or file you want, and then drag it directly onto the ChatGPT window. As you hover over the chat, the interface will highlight to show it's ready to receive the file. Release your mouse, and the file will attach automatically. Just like before, you'll see it appear in the message area, confirming the upload. A few helpful tips to keep things smooth. Large files may take a moment, so give the upload a little time to finish. If you notice a delay, keep the browser tab open and avoid refreshing mid-upload. Use common image formats like PNG or JPG for best compatibility, and try to keep file names descriptive so they're easy to recognize at a glance. Also, be mindful not to include sensitive or personal information in the images you upload. That's all there is to it. You can attach files by clicking the plus icon and choosing Add Photos and Files, or you can simply drag and drop your file onto the chat. Either way, once the file thumbnail appears in the message area, you're set. Practice both methods a couple of times so it becomes second nature. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to upload images in ChatGPT.